everyone, it's me Jyoti and today I'm talking about the Glen Auto Clean Filterless Kitchen Chimney. This chimney comes with an auto clean feature so you don't have to worry about cleaning filters. It also has a motion sensor, wave and start features and an inclined design for easy oil collection. Plus, with an airflow of 1200 cubic meter per hour, you can keep your kitchen fresh and clean. With this chimney, you don't need to worry about any of the cleaning and maintenance tasks that are usually required. It's easy to use and can help keep your kitchen in top condition. So, if you're looking for an efficient and easy to use chimney, the Glen Auto Clean Filterless Kitchen Chimney is the best choice for you. Get your hands on it now.
Buying a kitchen chimney is an important decision as it is a long-term investment that can significantly enhance the cooking experience in your kitchen. Here are some key factors to consider when purchasing a kitchen chimney. First, type of chimney. There are three types of chimneys: wall-mounted, island and built-in. The type of chimney you choose depends on the layout and design of your kitchen. Wall-mounted chimneys are the most common and are fixed on the wall above the cooking stove. Island chimneys are suspended from the ceiling above a kitchen island, while built-in chimneys are integrated into the kitchen cabinets. Second, size. The size of the chimney should be proportional to the size of your cooktop. Generally, the chimney should be slightly larger than the cooktop to ensure that it captures all the smoke and fumes. As a rule of thumb, the width of the chimney should be at least as wide as the cooktop. Third, suction power. The suction power of the chimney is measured in cubic meters per hour. A higher suction power means the chimney is more efficient at removing smoke and fumes from the kitchen. A good rule of thumb is to choose a chimney with a suction power that is at least 10 times the volume of the kitchen. Fourth, filters. The filters in the chimney play a crucial role in capturing the grease and oil particles in the smoke. Some chimneys come with an auto clean feature as well. This feature uses advanced technology to clean the filters automatically, reducing the need for manual cleaning. Fifth, noise level. Kitchen chimneys can be noisy, so it's important to choose one that doesn't disrupt the peace and quiet of your home, as noise level of 60 decibels or less is considered ideal. And sixth, design. The design of the chimney should complement the style and decor of your kitchen. Chimneys are available in a range of materials such as stainless steel, tempered glass and ceramic. Choose a design that is easy to clean and maintain. In conclusion, purchasing a kitchen chimney requires careful consideration of various factors such as size, suction power, filters, noise level and design. By taking these factors into account, you can choose a chimney that suits your needs and enhances your cooking experience. Happy shopping!